Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage and doing the metal work here on El Camino's Fender. So it was rusted out here, put a little patch panel in, got that done. Went ahead and I got going on this thing and didn't even realize that I should have been filming, so sorry for that. For anybody that wanted to see, got it. As you can see, I got it spot welded across. Got it down over here. Now, I do have to make a little piece for right here. I'll revisit that. But our bottom is where it needs to be. On the factory, when it indents for the bolt holes, so what I'm going to do is just put some spacers in between this metal and the mount that's welded on the body. Same deal here. We've got this inner fender brace. There's a little space, but I didn't want to do all the extra work of cutting that out, fitting it. You know, it's underneath, you can't see it anyway. So let's see, what else did we do. Of course, I drug out all kinds of tools. Got this front section. This was smashed in and had almost a 1/4 inch of Bondo in it, and because there's bracing in behind here, you can't get in really to work it. But I cut out this section here, welded in a new section. This stuff was just paper thin from battery corrosion on the back side of this, so it blew through like crazy. I mean, it looks rough, but there's no pinholes in it really, and then this had some pinholes and that blew through, so you just stack welds. So all you can do is just weld and weld until it holds together, and I kind of shaped it so it'll get a little bit of mud in it. Finish it off, but nothing's crazy warped or anything. If anything is low, so it'll have less mud in it than it had. And then this right here was smashed in and split, so you can get to this part. So I brought it back out and welded it. That turned out pretty good. What else did I do to this fender? Move around here. Filled the antenna hole. Nobody runs aerials anymore anyway, so yeah. I was looking around at prices on new fenders today, and for decent ones they're like $450, $500, and I probably got, I don't know, 4 hours, 5 hours into this, including making this repair section down here. So, you know, it's one of them deals where, what do? You ain't got no money, you need it to look decent, so you make it look decent. In this case, labor is cheaper. So anyway, I'm gonna put you guys in the on the tripod there and put you in time lapse, and I'm gonna spot weld all this in and grind it off. So this is all done here, and maybe we'll get this piece cut and made. I don't know, it's like 7 o'clock at night now. In fact, the sun's starting to go down over there, but I've got some light. You notice this light here, I like it real bright where I'm spot welding, so I don't have to wear glasses underneath my welding helmet. But anyway, we'll get you set in the tripod here and get this done. And well, there you guys go. It's all welded in. I had to go back at a few pinholes, but it's a little bit low along here, which is okay because there's a trim strip here, and be able to put some Bondo on it. And same with this edge. This thing is just so corroded that it's just extremely difficult to weld. And you've seen me blow some holes through on this old metal, and it just can't be helped. All you can do is just stack tacks. Stack tacks and plug holes until there's no holes. So anyway, well, I hope this helps somebody, showing this that, you know, I'm by no means a professional. I'm just a guy that figured out how to do this, and maybe there's something here that can help somebody. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting the channel. If you would, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out. And like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, there's other ways of doing this. This is how I do it. And I'll come back, I'll grind all these off and on to the body work. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay greasy, my friends.